If you've ever sat down to pray, opened your journal, and just stared at the page, not knowing where to begin, these are the tools that will help you get started. Hi, I'm Tracy, and before we go any further, take a second to like this video and check out the description below. That's where you'll find my free prayer journaling guide, my prompts, as long as a full course if you're ready to go deeper. Let's start with the first tool. Okay, the first thing we're going to use always is some kind of journal. And remember, it doesn't have to be fancy. It can be a spiral notebook. It can be a blank journal. It can be your notes app. It can be notebook paper. Whatever you have that helps you show up, that's really where you're going to talk to God, where you pour out your heart and come back later to see how He answered you. This is your record of faith in motion, no one else's. The second thing I always use are guided prompts. You've opened your journal, you're ready to write, and your mind just goes blank. Prompts give you a place to start, not just a verse to set the tone, but focused questions that help you write and go deeper in your prayer journal. So you name what's really going on, you pray with intention around the things that you need most, and you're just really talking to God. And then finally, I bring in creative tools for reflection. Sometimes I need more than just the words I'm writing. So I'll grab a marker and a highlighter, and I'll highlight a phrase that moved me or a word I want to remember. And then I may draw symbols in the margin or put washi tape down. I'm not really there to decorate, but really more to add meaning through doodling or drawing. But I'm marking that moment that mattered to me when I was writing for that day. So it's not about being artistic. It's just kind of letting your heart respond in a way that feels real for you. So if this hit home today, I hope you'll leave me a comment. Tell me what your go-to prayer tool is, and what helps you keep showing up to do your daily prayer journaling or praying with God. And again, before you go, grab the free starter prayer guide down below. Check out the course if you want to go further and make a deeper, more consistent prayer life by prayer journaling. And I really hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe and come back again.